Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to use Slack for client communication. So first, what you want to do is go to Slack, the website right here. And as you can see, I already have a workspace. So I'm just gonna create a new workspace to show you guys. So just click on create a new workspace right here and sign in with your email. So now I've created a new workspace, and you could now put here the company or client name. So since it's just tutorial video, I'm just gonna name it something like test. So once that's done, so these two options are only optional. So you could pick the company size or industry category or something like that. But once you're done filling that up, so for me, I'm just gonna skip that. Once you're here, you could put your name. So let's say I'm just gonna put say T something, and on here you could put then your role. So it could be either a contractor, freelancer. So let's say this one, and the department is also up to you. So I don't know, let's pick this one, marketing, and you could also upload the photo. So for me, I'm just gonna skip that. You could also add coworkers by putting their email here, and also you could copy the invite link and sending it to them. So if they click on the invite link, you will automatically be invited to or added to this workspace. So I'm just gonna skip this for now. So once you're here, you could put like what your workspace or team is gonna do. So let's say we're gonna make some marketing ads or something. So since I put the marketing option back on the step, I think step 3. So once you're done with that, just click on next. So you could either go to the pro plan or the free plan. So for this video, I'm just gonna go with this one. So start with free and just wait for it to load, and boom, it is now done. Now once you're here to set it up, I suggest you go first to your workspace settings. So click on the workspace name right here, then click on preferences, and here you could fix your notifications, or you could also put on a notification schedule and sound and appearance. Change the notification sound. For navigation, you could set to what you guys see here. So we could add huddle, so as you can see, it can be seen here, or you could remove automations if you want, something like that. Once you're here on home, you could fix the activities, and the sidebar you could put the unreads. So this one is very useful so that you won't miss anything. Next themes, you could go with a light theme, a dark theme, and you could also change the colors. Here on so just click on save changes. Here on messages and media, you could also add a theme, and the names would display the full and display names, or just display names if you want. The language and region, accessibility, the links, underline links to websites. So here on market thread, audio and video. So in Slack they call it huddle. The voice video the voice call, they call it the huddle. Here are connected accounts and privacy and visibility. You could also set your preferences here. So like discoverability and contact sharing, and here on the advanced, you could reveal DMs, activity, and other views. Also the input options. And if you want to add someone to your channel, for example, so click on, let's say on the marketing ads, you want to add someone, click on channel name here on top, then go to members, and as you can see, there's an add people right here. So automatically add anyone who joins the workspace, so they will be automatically added here. So you could also go to your workspace settings or manage members right here. So here is where you could invite people to your workspace so that they will automatically be added to all channels and save your time and effort in doing like all of the channels each. So just click on it and put in their email or copy the invite link. So if you also want to add someone as administrator, so let's first invite someone. Let's say I'm gonna invite, right? So as you can see here, I have another member, and let's say it's your coworker or something, or your client. And if you want to add them as an admin to your workspace, you can just simply click on the three dots here and click on change account type. So you could either make them a workspace admin, a multi-channel guest, single channel guest, regular member. If you want to make them workspace admin, just click on this one and just click on save. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.